you can see, we're in the lobby. Let's see here. Let's just go with that. I don't really care. Right, frontline random. Crossfire. My favourite map. Right, here we go. Let's go. Travel time. Hi. Die. Get out of here, bots. Woohoo! They just killed each other. Yeah. Just throw you right there. And if anyone tries to get to me, they fail. Ah! Oh, Predator missile! Oh, you're too kind. Oh, I thought that was an enemy. Hello, buddy. Goodbye. Oh. Oh, please, 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 please. Yes, yes. Central gun. Central gun. Oh, boy, get I'm running to the building. Oh, hello there. I see you. Go get him, doggy. Go get him. Oh, this is too dog. Thank you. Ow, 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 ow. No. Flip! No! Got deleted. Please be the thing I'm thinking of. Going from my office. Hiya! Yes! It's the thing I was thinking of! Come as a bitch, boy! Hello! That was a headshot? Oh. Hello! Goodbye. Hello. Goodbye. Good little front line. You can't say I didn't hit him, boy! The next match / Battle Royale. See, there's no one up. There's no one up there in the left corner. So I'll prove to you how good I am at this by going into a solo match. Oh, parkour. Oh no. It's I? Right, here we go. Here is the start of the match. Right, oh, the plane is so cool. This is going to be flipping Hercules in like 2056. Alright, here we go, boys. Dropping out. I'm gonna land at practice. Cause like look at crash and then you see this. It's a flippin' military base. Look, I've even got a getaway chopper. If someone tries to kill me. Alright, got a pretty good land. Let's see if there's anything in there. Okay, found a box. Echo, no. Hate these guns. These things really want to get me killed, don't they? Alright. Oh my god, I found a purple gun. Purple Holger. This is why you always land here. You guys get good guns. Okay, what the heck was that? Ooh. This is sketchy because you don't know if anyone's near you or not. Let's go over here. See what's inside here. Another echo. 3 times tactical scope. That's it. Throw it on the helicopter pad. Nope, no one nearby. And they're dead. See what I say? Oh, can I go through this door? Yes, I can. Yes. Give me that. Give me this right now. Give me the MX-9. Thank you. They're outside. Oh boy! Get wrecked. Woo! Wow, what a good gun. Here we go. Right, let's go over this way. Oh my lord. I'm a best taxi driver. Oh my lord. Oh boy! Hey. Oh my lord, dude. No! Oh, I thought I was a goner. Alright, let's go around. Oh. Okay. Okay. I get it. Ah! Ferrari, thank you. Hello, goodbye. Let's go. That was awesome. What a getaway. They were probably fighting over this Ferrari. Oh no. I am just crashing too much. Okay, what's over this hill? Ah! Oh, I wonder what's over here. Okay, a bunch of rocks. Oh my lord. Ah! Ah! I'm okay. Didn't pass out. Yeah! Ooh, nearly hit a tree. What's this? Oh! So now there's a battle zone? Ah! Oh! Oh! No, don't get out. Just.
Airdrop incoming.
Oh, there's another airdrop incoming. Ah! Oh, that scared me. No! I might as well get rid of it. What? Oh, that's rude. Jeez. Still hasn't been dropped. Has it? Just gonna stay underwater. Right, I'm gonna send my dogs on a mission. The heck? Doggies! 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 Go doggies! Oh! How dare you? How dare you kill dogs? Rude son of a flip. Thank you, I'll be taking that finish. Why am I playing first person now? Oh, that's my baby. Just do a little smack on the bum. It's okay. Oh, there's a snowboarder. Kid on a snowboard? Trying to snowboard away from me, are you? Son of a flip! I lost him. Dang it. Oh, flip! Goodbye. Oh no. Did that blow it up? Go this way now. Out of 100 people, I've got 3 kills. 30 more people to kill. Yay!
Friendly canine unit incoming.
Huh? Oh, it's gone! Let's go! That actually worked! Oh my god! Wow! Pretty cool. Alright. Oh, motorbike. Totally okay. Hello! That was a headshot. Just getting a little peed off. Okay, there's 20 people left! Oh. Ow, flip! Yes! Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me.
Chip terminal is almost ready. Location exposed.
Oh, oh!
The safe zone is collapsing. Airdrop incoming.
Die please, die please! Yes! Okay, 12 people to kill. Oh! Sniper, sniper. Sniper wiper.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Ah! Okay, okay. I see you. Oh, please, no, not now. Yes! Oh my god. I only just got lucky. Whee! Okay, I just got footsteps behind me. Oh no, someone. Oh. Hello! Bet you didn't expect that. Alright, there's 5 people to kill. Oh, this is getting intense. Especially when you're in a solo match. There's another snowboarder. Hey, buddy! Oh, no! No! Damn it! Oh! Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Smash the like, subscribe, comment down below what game I should play next, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.